Could waiting 60 seconds make you stronger than giving in right away? Resilience grows in the gap between impulse and action. Train it by delaying gratification in small ways. Wait 1 minute before checking your phone, drink water before grabbing a snack, or finish one task before scrolling. These pauses teach your brain that discomfort isn't danger. Each rep strengthens patience and builds inner strength. Over time, the habit of waiting spills into bigger challenges, giving you real staying power when life gets tough. Pause one urge today and time yourself. Comment how long you lasted.